Hi, today I'm running Lenovo Tab E10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So open first the settings application and then tap to display section. Here click to advanced and tap to wallpaper. Select your Google Photos or default wallpapers and you could also use my photos folder to use photos from your device gallery or download it from the internet. Just select one from the available wallpapers and select desktop. Select under the lock screen and tap to the right upper corner to set wallpaper. Now let's just lock the device to check. And we could see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we could do that. Just hold for a while home screen with your finger and tap to wallpapers icon, and by the same way select one from the available wallpapers and select desktop. This means that the home screen. Select only lock screen, tap to set wallpaper, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.